Introducing Wopu.app, which allows you to chat anonymously with new faces. Ever met someone interesting but didn't want to share your contact info? Wopu.app lets you chat openly with new people, privately. Here's how it works. Go to Wopu.app to create a private chat, invite others using QR codes, chat IDs, or links, and chat openly without sharing your contact information. Using Wopu.app is incredibly user-friendly, with no sign-up, no installation required, and absolutely no hidden fees. Wopu ensures your messages self-destruct for ultimate privacy. Advanced encryption guarantees robust protection, while emojis and unlimited photo sharing enhance your chat experience. Start chatting anonymously today and take control of your conversations.